Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIBS Homeschool. This is Muhammad Emdadul Haque, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear students, today I am going to conduct a math class of class 3. Our today's topic is chapter 5, EMB page 69, 2-word problems 2 and 4. These 2-word problems I will solve in this class. And dear students, these 2-word problems you will do as your homework. Okay, dear students, let us see the question at first. Our first question, question 2. In a class, there are 45 students. 5 students can sit in each bench. How many benches will be needed for them to sit? It means that the number of benches we have to find out here. Total number of students is 45 and 5 students can sit in each bench. It means that in one bench 5 students can sit. So we can write 5 students can sit in one bench. Therefore, 45 students can sit in the students. To find the number of benches, we have to divide the total number of students by the students of each bench. So we have to divide 45 by 5, as 5 students can sit in each bench. So now I will show the division. Here you must show the rough division. You have to show 45. The students, you know, as this is 5, so we have to consider the first digit. Here first digit is 4. This is less than 5, so we can't divide. Now we have to consider, as we can't divide, we have to consider the second digit also. Now this is a number, that is 45. As 45 is greater than 5, so we can say the times table now. Times table of 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 six are 30, 5 sevens are 35, 5 eights are 40 and 5 nines are 45. So we can take up to 9. 5 nines are 45. So we can write 45, and if we subtract 5 from 5 we will get 0, 4 from 4 we will get 0. It means that as both the numbers are same, the difference will be 0. It means if we subtract we will get 0. It means that 45 is divisible by 5 9 times. It means that 9 benches will be needed. So we can say 9 benches will be needed. Therefore, 9 benches will be needed for them to sit. Okay, dear students, so we can say required number of benches 9. So our answer of this question is 9 benches. Okay, dear students, I hope you have understood the solution of our first question. Now I will go to the second question. Okay, dear students, now go to the second question. What is the second question? That is question 4. The price of each banana is taka 6. It means that the price of one banana is taka 6. How many such bananas can be bought for taka 90? It means that here also we have to find the number of bananas that we can buy with taka 90. So if we divide the total amount of money, it means taka 90 by the price of each banana, means one banana, it means taka 6. So we will get the number of bananas. It means that we have to divide 90 by 6 to get the number of bananas. So we can start the solution. We can write taka 6 is the price of one banana. Therefore, taka 90 is the price of. We have to divide the total money by the price of one banana. It means that we have to divide 90 by 6. This will be the number of bananas. So we have to divide here now. You must show this division. We have to divide 90 by 6. Here first digit is 9, 9 is greater than 6, so we can divide. Say the times table of 6, 6 ones are 6, 6 2s are 12, but this is 9 less than 12, so we have to take one time. If we take one time, that is 6 ones are 6. Now we have to subtract. If we subtract 6 from 9, we will get 3. We have to take this 0 below. Now this is 30. We have to say the times table of 6 again. 6 ones are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, and 6 5s are 30. So we can say up to 5 times, 6 up to 5 times, that is 6 5s are 30. So if we write 30 and subtract, we will get 0 here. It means that 90 is divisible by 6, and we will get 6 up to 15 times. It means that our required number of banana is 15. So we can write 15 bananas. Dear students, we can say 15 bananas can be bought for taka 90. 15 bananas can be bought for taka 90. So we can write therefore 15 bananas can be bought for taka 90. Dear students, I hope you have understood, and our answer of this question is 15 bananas. As the question is how many bananas, so we can write 15 bananas. Dear students, I hope you have understood our today's lecture. That's all for today, and do this as your homework. Solve these two questions as your homework. Submit your homework on next Sunday. Dear students, you know homework is very, very important for you for your annual examination, as your CT marks, diary marks, and SBA marks will be given based on the performance of your homework. So keep practicing at home, abide by your parents, stay home, stay safe. See you again. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.